I'm going to show you how you can shoot a 4K video using your phone. Hey guys, creating video is one of the most difficult things out there because most of us don't have the equipment to make a good video. So we think we don't have the right camera, we think we don't have the right phone, we think we don't have the right equipment to shoot this content. Well, today I bring good news because I'll show you how you can shoot a 4K video using your phone, with any phone at all. I just know any phone. I'm going to show you how you can shoot a 4K video using any phone you can lay your hands on in just few steps. So I want you to know that you are not limited to an iPhone 14 or a digital camera to create your content. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that using your phone. First of all, I'm going to take a video of myself, and when I take this video of myself, I'm going to import it into CapCut and I'm going to start editing in CapCut. So let's go into CapCut. Let me show you how this is done. If you're new to this channel, I want you to smash on the subscribe button and turn on my post notification. Just hit the bell icon and turn on my post notification so you can receive notification when I upload a new content. So let's dive right into it and show you how you can DIY your way out of poor cameras. So let's go. Alright, so first of all, you have to open the CapCut app and select a new project. You're going to look for the video you want to edit. For me, this is the video I want to edit. I'm going to select and I click add. Now it's going to load up and it's going to open up. This is the video I want to edit. Hold on, let me delete this guy. So next, I'm going to apply the blur effect to this. The first step is to apply blur effects to this video. So I want the background of this video to be blur so I can differentiate myself from the background. I'll come over here and I'm going to select effect. I'm going to make sure my data is turned on because it uses data. So I'm going to select video effect and I'm going to look for, go to basic, and I'll select blur effect. Now you can click on adjust and adjust the blur effect to anyhow you want it. Let's say this point is okay. I'm going to click on the good sign here and you can see I've applied the blur effect. So to make this add up, I'm just going to increase the length of this effect to apply it throughout the whole video. Next, I'm going to click on overlay. I'm going to click on add overlay and I'm going to select the picture, the video, and I'm going to select the video of me again. Now I'm going to adjust this video to fit the frame of this clip. Like so. Okay, next I'm going to click on this overlaid video and I'm going to swipe over to cut out. I'm going to click on remove background. I'm going to click on remove background and it's going to start removing the background. Now that is over, you can see that it's removed the background of this picture and you can see I'm now different from the background itself. I'm going to adjust this so I can line up. Now you can see. Alright, so I want to also differentiate the back. I want it to look smooth. I want it to be seamless and smooth. So I want the background to have this contrast to make it look like this is actually done very well. So next, I'm going to click on this video, which is the main one I applied the blur effect to, and I'm going to come down to adjust and I'm going to click on contrast because I want to differentiate the background from my character. I want the background to look like it is in a distance from my self. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on temperature and I'm just going to increase it and make it blue. So that is how I got that effect. shadow. You can play with shadow, you can play with whatever you want to play with, doesn't matter. You can see how it looks. Yeah, it looks good. All right, so I think that for this. Feel free to play with the options until you get what you like. I'm just going to go over the clip and see which one works best and see if they all work seamlessly. And that is how you can edit your video. You don't have to stress it. So next, you can select how you want to save it. You want to save at 2K. If you want it to be the resolution to be 2K or 4K, you increase it and then you click on save. And you can see over here to define the MB. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to start exporting. So that is how you can edit in 4K with just any phone you have. Doesn't matter if it's Android or iPhone 6 or iPhone 5. That is how you can edit your videos, make it a 4K resolution video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.